Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to this great home here on the range. And we're starting at the back so we can get to the front because this home's unique in the fact that it's got 2 street frontages. Let's go and take a look. So here we are on the other street. Number 273 William Street is a home set on 622 square metres. It has a new roof, fresh floor coverings and fresh paint. Let's go and take a look. This home just oozes potential. My favourite feature is this great aspect overlooking Mount Archer with glimpses of the riverfront high-rises. Of course, this home could be yours, so if we can help you own it, give us a call. We would love to help you out.